Hi there, I am Catalina, and I would love to invite you to an event I will be hosting on the 25th of November. It is called RECONNECT Breath, Art, and Love, because we will be using breathwork and art to dissolve the ego mind, the walls that we place around our hearts. And from there, we will be able to really truly understand, to really truly see ourselves, to talk and express ourselves from an open, vulnerable, fearless, and courageous heart. Connecting from here is so powerful and transformational. So, if you're ready to take your relationship to a much deeper level, this is for you. There will be some discomfort, so get ready for it. And the evening will finish with a beautiful cacao ceremony. Hurry up, there are only 6 spots available. I'm so excited because I know you will be blown away. So, looking forward to meeting you there. See you. Bye-bye.